Welcome to Deep IQ. Today, we're going to show you one of our exciting applications for asset optimization using prognostics, health management, and an industry-first approach to optimization. You can generate significant ROI for your company by implementing predictive health and operational optimization capabilities using digital twin, or digital representation of your real-world asset. With Deep IQ, you can create and deploy highly accurate digital twin models across multiple assets to do three things. Diagnostics. Is there a fault in your equipment as of now? Prognostics. What is the remaining useful life of the equipment? Optimization. How should you change your operational and maintenance strategies to get more out of your equipment? The application is not just a predictive tool which tells what will happen in the future, it also optimizes your asset's performance using a unique approach to plot the best course from trillions of possibilities. You will see an example of a pump in this 5-step workflow. First, you can ingest and clean the time series data for the pump. Second, you can calculate the remaining useful life using a digital twin prediction model. Third, you can validate the model on historical data. Fourth, you can deploy this model onto your live data. Finally, you can give your operators a predictive health dashboard. Using Deep IQ's data transformation software, part of Deep IQ's enterprise tool suite for big data, you can ingest your time series data from your pump and use pre-built components to clean and transform your data. Here, you're reading the data from a time series database and doing basic data transformations, including filtering for the right sensor tags and renaming the column names, etc. Then you are using time series algorithms to clean your data, including removing outliers, inputting for missing data, and smoothing to remove noise. The results are written back into your data platform for further processing by the PHM application. Now that you have clean data and are ready to go, you can create a digital twin of your pump. A digital twin refers to a digital replica of a physical asset, like your pump. Your digital twin gives you the elements and dynamics of how your device operates and lives throughout its life cycle. Using Deep IQ's data transformation software, you read your pump data from the data platform, along with metadata about historic maintenance activity from your maintenance systems to create your digital twin. You can now define your asset's constraints in your digital twin. Here, you set your configuration information and select the cost models you wish to use. Then, you can save the model so it can be used in the next steps. Next, you can open the digital twin component from the Deep IQ's enterprise dashboard. Here, you select the time series data sources that are coming from your plants. Here, you select Pump 1 and Pump 2 from Plant 1, and then Pump 1 from Plant 2. This serves as a great test for your newly created model. From your list of models, you select the digital twin pump model you just saved in the last section. Now you can select how accurate your model should be for this plant or selected assets. Here are your results. Using your historical data and the costs that you previously defined, you are now looking at your results. This is a consolidated report of failures caught, failures missed, and remaining useful life predictors on historical data. Now it's time for you to validate the performance of your models. First, choose a plant, then an asset. You can filter by a date range, and then render the results. Here, you see the results on your historic data. Actual asset failures juxtaposed against predictions generated by your model. Your data scientists can seamlessly run their own models against the same time series data. Just select Add Model from the menus. You can choose a Python or R file, give the model a name, and select Next. As long as you subscribe to the model handshake prescribed by Deep IQ, there are no restrictions on the models you can build. Now you can see your newly uploaded model in the list. Once you're happy with the model results, it's time to deploy your model and predict the future. Simply select Deploy from the menu. Here you will select the plants that will use this model to make predictions. It's that simple. Once deployed, Deep IQ automatically generates health dashboards and alerts for the chosen equipment using this model. Your operators get their own dashboard to see how the assets are performing. You are now looking at DeepIQ's Optimum Asset Operator Dashboard. You first select a plant, followed by an asset. You are shown a detailed dashboard of your pump. Here you can see maintenance information including asset health, remaining useful life, and maintenance history. You can also then use our non-convex optimization routines to generate recommended operational or maintenance profiles to maximize production or minimize degradation or maintenance costs. The unique algorithms used in this approach for optimizing asset performance is currently increasing production by 3 to 5% for our clients. In this video, you've seen a small set of the capabilities available with DeepIQ's Optimum Asset software. You saw how you can easily ingest and clean time series data, as well as calculate the remaining useful life using a digital twin prediction model. You saw how to validate the model on historical data and deploy it on live data. Finally, you saw the operator's predictive health dashboard. This technology is source agnostic. You can connect to any time series data source, platform agnostic. You can run the application either on the cloud or on your premise. It has delivered industry-leading predictors for multiple assets, including compressors, motor bearing, and fracking pumps. If you would like more information or a live demo, please contact us at info@deepiq.co.